and welcome back to the hike across Switzerland. I am hiking Switzerland from the west to the east, the full country. I took a little break, but now I'm back on it. Section 14. I'm at the south of Lake Zurich, just continuing my hike towards the east. I'm looking forward to this section. It's baking hot outside. It's a beautiful day for hiking as well. So let's get going. Let's get a few miles in this morning. We have started following the Lind Canal here to my side, but what's really interesting, there are a few bunkers from World War II left here, just left by the hiking path. Of course you can't go inside, but they are not in use anymore. The canal we're following is called Lind Canal. It's connecting two major lakes here in Switzerland, Lake Zurich and the Wallon Lake. I'm pretty jealous of the people floating down this canal right now. It's so hot outside, but of course we're going upstream anyway. So we couldn't just hop on the river and float to our destination. What's very cool about this section today is that I'm walking straight towards the Alps. I'm gonna cross over in a few days time, so I'm very excited to be up there because down here it's boiling hot. I had to jump in the river to cool down a bit. It's weird thinking about the beginning of this hike up in the Jura Mountains back in March, where I was wearing my coat. I was cold, and now I'm here just sweating away in the middle of August. I just had to have another dip in the water. That's the good thing about walking next to a canal. Just a good way to cool down and then keep going. I'm not trying to waste too much time because I do want to get there pretty soon this evening, but this here was definitely needed. I have reached the Wallon Lake after following the canal for about 15-16 kilometers. Very short section to get going again here on my hike through Switzerland. We're soon gonna reach the Alps. I'm very excited for that. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.